Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the new features of OpenAlgo charts inside OpenAlgo. So recently we had introduced a lot of features inside OpenAlgo charts, and one of the major features is like bar replay, and another one is like the 90 plus technical indicators. So that is what we're going to talk about in this specific chapter. So let's go and look into that. I'm inside the OpenAlgo trading section where you can see the OpenAlgo charts, and you can see there are a lot of controls would have been changed in the latest edition. And I can go and switch different time frames, right? So right now I'll stick to the 5-minute time frame. I'll be able to change different types of candle variations, like or candles or bar charts or even area charts or something like that. I'll be able to change, right? So for time being, I'll keep it as candlestick charts. The best part is right now OpenAlgo supports 90 plus indicators. So it supports all the basic indicators, and it also has an section like trend, momentum, volatility, volume. And if you could see that, even you have a favorite section as well. So let's say if you want to select any of your indicator as your favorite, let's say I'm gonna use the corners RSI as gonna be my, I'm gonna take it as my favorite, and you can see that in the favorite section, right? So if you could see in the favorite section, you will be finding all the list of all the favorites. So right now I'm going to go and apply one of the indicator. Let's say like I'm going to go and apply half trend. So you can also see that it is also bringing the buy sell indications as well. So that is one of the new additions. And apart from that, one of the new addition is the seasonality indicator. Let's say I'll go to the daily time frame. So I'll try to go to the daily time frame. I'll try to load a lot more details. It's a lot more data points, and I assume that I have a significant amount of information. So once most of the information is already loaded, I can say that there's also a zoom section at the bottom where you can zoom in, zoom out. So all those things you can do it from here, right? Let's say I can go to the indicator. I'll try to bring the seasonality indicator, right? So the seasonality indicator is one of my favorite, as I said. So I'll open up in a new charts. I can able to see the complete seasonality. I'll be able to see over here, right? So this is something which is a new addition. Now we can bring tables inside OpenAlgo. And apart from that, let me close this indicator and let's go back. And you also have this replay section as well. Let's say I'll go back to the 5-minute time frame, and let's say I want to replay for the last couple of days. I can go and replay the feature over here, and I can go and play it, and that will be simulating the candlestick charts. And on top of that, I can also control how faster the speed of the candle should be. I can increase the speed, right? Or I can reduce the speed of the candle as well, and I can go and check how the strategy is performing or how the indicators are visually working. Is it really working good or not? So all those things I'll be able to simulate over here, right? So those are some of the new addition in this specific session. So maybe more interesting things are incoming inside OpenAlgo. Let me know what you like to see inside OpenAlgo, and what you would like to add, any new indicators or strategies you want to bring it inside OpenAlgo charts. Do let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.